In this video tutorial, we're going to look at issuing bonds at a discount. Assume that on January 1, 2018, Delaware Labs issues a $100,000 5-year 10% bond for $98,000. Also, it could be priced at this way, just 98. Not .98, just 98. So 98 is really 98% or 0.98. Interest is payable annually on January 1. Record the entry to record the sale of the bonds, also called the issuance of bonds. Now, before I cover the journal entries, I'd like to remind you that I've already covered in a prior video bonds issued at a face value. To record a bond issued at a discount, this is how I actually work it. I'm going to show you. I go in and I debit cash for $98,000. I know that because when a bond is issued, a $100,000 bond is issued at 98, they receive 98% of the $100,000 or $98,000 in cash. The stated amount or the face rate of the bond payable is $100,000. That's in the contract. That's a fact. Now, with skipping a line, I now need to decide, do I debit the discount or do I credit the discount? Well, it's obvious I need a debit to make the debits equal the credit. So I need a $2,000 debit here, so the $98,000 and the $2,000 total to be $100,000. That's why I skipped the line. That way, or at least when I was learning these as a new student, or new to me when I was a student, discount on bonds payable, I could never remember if it's a debit or a credit. But by skipping a line and allowing myself to visually see that I'm missing an entry and it needs to be a debit, then I would always get it right. Now, obviously, of course, after working these so many times, I know that discounts are debited. But that might be something you want to apply. So the discount is $2,000. And that is the end of this video. I think I'm just going to make a video for bonds issued at a premium in the next one. If you have any questions, email me.